27. One reason of a nursing history is taken is to determine a client's level of wellness. Which of the following aspects might the nurse include in the history to determine if there are any underlying conditions that might threaten a client's safety? So, alin daw sa mga sumusunod na ito ang magkakaroon ng threat sa patient's safety? Answer here is letter B, all of the choices. So remember, if the patient has unstable gait, threat yan sa safety. Developmental status, if retarded yung patient, therefore, pwede siyang mag-cause ng accident, so risk for the safety. Medications, of course, there are certain medications that causes, tawag dito, decreased level of consciousness. So, kasama siya. Vision, if there are visual disturbances. O kaya if the patient has visual diseases or visually related diseases, okay? Bulag, may glaucoma, okay, blurred vision, may auras. So kasama yan. Answer is letter B.